Good morning students. Today we are here with our worksheet number 44 from the Directorate of Education, subject Science, class 10th, and today we discuss about the next topic, that is Mendeleev periodic table from the chapter periodic classification of elements. Student, in the last worksheet we discussed about the Daubeney triad and about the Newland's law of octave, and today after the discarded after the rejection of the Newland, many scientists continue to search for a pattern for the properties of the elements with their atomic mass, and the main credit of classify the elements goes to the Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. So student, who is Dmitry Ivanovich? Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev was born in Tobolsk in western Siberia, Russia on the 8th February 1834, and his arrangement of the elements proposed is called the Mendeleev periodic table, and this periodic table is proved a unifying principle in the chemistry and motivation for the discovery of new elements. And the one more thing which is very important, which you have to know, that he is called the father of periodic table. Okay, the main credit for classifying the elements goes to Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. He was the most important contributor, students, because he arranged the elements on the basis of their fundamental properties, their atomic mass, and also on the similarity of their chemical properties. So this, it is the base of its principle, student. Okay, let's move to see the what is the work and the contribution of the Mendeleev. So student, Mendeleev started, it is very important, Mendeleev started his work with the 63 elements, and he examined the relationship between the masses of elements, their physical and chemical properties. Secondly, he concentrated the compounds formed by the oxygen and hydrogen. Why he mainly focused on the oxygen and hydrogen? Because oxygen and hydrogen are very reactive and they form compound with the most elements. Okay? The formulae of hydrides and the oxide formed elements were treated as basic property of the element for the classification. So student, when he keep elements with the similar properties together in the mind, then he acquire a proper place and arrange in order of their atomic masses. It was also observed that there occurs a periodic reoccurrence when he combines, student, all the elements with similar physical and chemical properties. He acquire a proper space for every element, and this create a periodic reoccurrence of the elements. And the last one is the what is the base. What is the Mendeleev periodic law? The period properties of the elements are the function of their atomic masses. Okay students, so this is the answer of your second question, and this is the answer of your third question, Mendeleev contribution. This is the table, student, this is the periodic table given by the Mendeleev. This is called the Mendeleev periodic table. Here you can see he arranged the different elements in the increasing order here. This is the Mendeleev's periodic table, and these are the formulas of their oxide and hydride, students, given above the, if you there is no visibility in that, you can open your NCERT book and see the Mendeleev's periodic table, and there are some vertical sections, student. These vertical sections are called periods and the horizontal sections are called rows. So he creates this table with the groups and the periods. Okay, let's move to our exercise, student. First question. Use the Mendeleev table to predict the formula for the oxide. We have to find the formula of oxide of these: potassium, carbon, aluminium. So first we have to write the formula of potassium. You see, this is potassium. So what is the formula here? K2O. Okay. Second, for the carbon, here is carbon, CO2. third is silicon, SiO2, and the next one is student aluminium. Here is aluminium, that is Al2O3, and for the last one, that is barium, barium is BaO. So these are the formulas of their oxide. Student, you can easily learn the formulas from your NCERT book, how to form the oxide and the hydride from the Mendeleev periodic table. Second and the third question I told you, and the fourth question, why Mendeleev concentrate on the compounds with oxygen and hydrogen? Because they are very reactive and they form compound with most of the elements. So this is the answer of your fourth question, student. And the last one, complete the sentences in the Mendeleev periodic table. What is the sentence, student? In Mendeleev periodic table, the vertical columns are called, verticals are called groups, and the horizontal are called periods. So vertical columns are groups and the horizontal are called as periods. So this is the worksheet, and I think in today's worksheet you have to know the different things about the Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev. What is the Mendeleev periodic table? It is given by which scientist? Who is the father of periodic table? Which property and which criteria used by the Mendeleev? And how much elements are used with the Mendeleev in the starting? And what is the base of Mendeleev periodic table? And how do they use hydride and oxide? Why they use hydrogen and oxygen for making the compound? Because they are most reactive and forming compounds with everyone. And by seeing the Mendeleev periodic table in your NCERT notebook, you have to form all formulas of oxide and hydride. Let's try at your home, student. If you like that worksheet, then please share with your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates about the worksheets. Thank you, beta.